Hey guys, how's it going? I got a few packages today and I want to share with you guys. I got a couple from eBay and one from another friend of mine. And so this is what I got from my friend. If I can zoom in on it for you guys a little bit. So this is my new Nomad. If anybody knows me, I collect these guys. Love these cars. This is a pretty cool look for a Nomad. So this will go great with my collection. It's not the best. It got a few blemishes on it, but it's all good. Or maybe it's not a blemish, it's just a light. But I like it. And then I have this guy here. Kind of balance this bad boy. So let's pop this bad boy open. Take a look at it. Check it out, guys.
We're dealing with an unsub who's inducing symptoms consistent with a heart attack as a smokescreen for murder by poison.
The initial symptoms seem to avoid the true cause of death, which is an irradiated poison.
Poisoning like this is an MO consistent with the Russian government, except Russian targets.
Also got this one from him also. My Impala. This is my 64 Impala. So let's open her up, and that goes in my Impala collection. Let's take a look at this beauty. It's a nice car. Growing up, one of my friends had this same Impala. Hey, his dad gave it to him, and so he worked on it and worked on it. And we used to get around on this bad boy, just me and him hanging out. So that's what this one reminds me of, my friend, my childhood friend. Okay, that's those three. So that's from, those three are from Mark and Exchange. I bought a lot of cars from him also. And my eBay. Trying to balance this camera. It's in an awkward position. So I got this one from eBay. So this is my 52 Chevy Treasure Hunt. If you guys can see the TH. It's a cool truck. I think I have one more truck coming. Waiting on that one. This one I won't open. Okay, one more. Oh. And so this will be another Nomad. This is pretty cool. Wax lips. I love these Nomads. I think I bought a lot of these cars. I'm probably running out of room for them. I think right now I'm maybe almost 50 of these cars right now. I think I still have one or two more coming. You don't have to stop buying them. I say that, but I keep buying them anyway. Love these cars. So guys, that is my haul, my opening. As you can see, 3 Nomads, a Chevy Impala, and a Chevy truck. You guys enjoyed it. As always, guys, leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Alright, guys. I am out of here. You guys take care. Bye now.